आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं ईगोसेंट्रिक नेटवर्क। ये TYDS डेटा साइंस कोर्स का सोशल मीडिया नेटवर्क एनालिटिक्स का सब्जेक्ट है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। So let's see what is egocentric network. Egocentric network, as we call it as ego network. So it is particularly a type of network which specially maps the connection of one person to another person. For example, if we were asked someone to name their friends, so we will be able to make a diagram of who is connected to whom. Like if suppose I am a person, so if someone asks that who are my family members, so I may be connected to 4 people. But if I want to know their friends, so in this way a network grows. Now I may have another network of my colleagues. So I may be connected to another set of people. Then it may be possible that some of them might be having common friends. So they may be connected to each other. So in this way, a network is formed. Okay. And what we do is the central person is called the ego, and all persons, we call them as alter. So they are the person who are connected to the person. So for each person, we can create an egocentric network. So what happens is here we come to know that whom we are directly connected and then how they are connected to each other, or they are connected to whom. So this type of network can be created. Now take this example here. If I take the example of one person, I call it as ego. And all the persons with which the person is connected, they all are called as alter. So this is alter 1, alter 2, alter 3, alter 4, and alter 5. Now you can see that alter 1 and 2, they are also connected to one another. Same way, alter 3, alter 4, and alter 5, they are also connected to each other. Like 4 is connected to 5, then ego and 3. 3 is connected to 5, 4, and ego. Same way, alter 5 is connected to ego, then alter 3 and alter 4. So in this way, the connection is created. Now we need to study this very well so that we can understand, and then in future we can do this kind of analysis. So while having the data on only one person ego does not tell us much about what kind of relationship exists. But if we have tens of hundreds or thousands of ego network, then we are able to analyze how different types of people have different ego networks. So for example, if all the students in a class fill out the ego network of their friends and family, we could find certain type of people have more than one friends. So these empirical questions of which scholar creatively compare egocentric network, we will be able to potentially answer many questions. So researchers, they do a lot of research on this type of relationship when collecting network data. So this would be one such case when we are combining the egocentric network of both the friendship and the family ties. Like for a person, we can have the friendship network, we can have the family network. We need to combine both of this, and then we can calculate the egocentric network. So we will combine these into a personal network so that we will be able to find the emotional support or some other socially meaningful exchange. So when we are discussing this, we may take the example of the previous figure. That is, we will take this example and we will try to calculate. So here we will apply certain formula. What we will do is we will first take that graph which we are interested in, and then we will try to find out how dense it is. So what is the meaning of dense? We need to find how the people are connected to each other. So in this example, suppose we say that this is the colleague network and this is the family network. So how dense this network is, we need to calculate that. So for that, what we will do, we will apply the formula of clustering coefficient. So this clustering coefficient formula we have to apply. It is m upon n into n plus 1 by 2. N minus 1 by 2 we have to apply. So here we are considering 5 alters. So n is equal to 5 because we are having 5 alters. So 5 into 4 by 2. This is the bottom formula, and on the top m is equal to 4. So this comes to 40%. 4.4, it also means 40%. So it also shows that this network is 40% dense. So as demonstrated, we can say that the network is 40% dense, or it means that 40% of all possible tie amongst ego friends exist. Means out of all the possible network, only 40% is created or 40% exists. Out of 100%, only 40% of the network is created. So with multiple egos, we might thus be able to compare their personal network to build theories about how social world operates. So for every person, there may be 3 to 4 network, like there can be friends network, there can be family network, there can be colleagues network. So we can just find out for that person how dense it is. And then we will be able to do lots of calculations of how the product can be promoted in this network. So I hope this video was interesting and useful. In the next video, we are going to study network analysis matrix. So stay tuned. Thank you.